Hey everyone! Today we are reviewing a monster from the world of gaming laptops, the Alienware m16 R2. It's impressive with its specs, but surprisingly doesn't scare you off with its price. It might just be one of the most affordable laptops from Alienware. I'll not only go over the specs, but also share real-world usage experiences, plus we'll take it apart and see what's going on inside. Let's go! Alienware's design has always been stunning, and the m16 R2 is no exception. This time, Alienware has revamped the look of its laptop. The LED lights around the edges, a hallmark of earlier models, are no longer present. Instead, the design now features more rounded corners, giving it a sleeker and more modern aesthetic. One notable new detail is a 3D imprint on the back cover, something never before seen on Alienware models. Additionally, the bottom case has been reworked with a redesigned rubber feet, now raised along entire perimeter. This not only enhances stability, but also significantly improves cooling efficiency, ensuring better airflow during intensive tasks. In practice, the chassis resists scratches well, but fingerprints still show up, especially around the keyboard area. At 3 kilograms, including the charger, the weight is noticeable, though expected for a laptop with such powerful hardware. Without the charger, it's about 500 grams lighter. Ports. The Alienware m16 R2 is well equipped with a variety of ports for both gaming and productivity. On the left side, you'll find the Ethernet port and 3.5mm headphone microphone combo jack. On the right side, there are 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports and micro SD card reader. At the back, the laptop offers 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 2 ports, 1 HDMI 2.1 port, and Alienware power adapter port. This thoughtful placement keeps cables organized, make it convenient for both gaming setup and workstation. The addition of HDMI 2.1 and Thunderbolt 2 ensures support for high-speed data transfers and external displays. The 16-inch QHD Plus display with 165Hz refresh rate is a highlight here. A real treat for gamers. The visuals are smooth and detailed in games. The screen specs also make great for watching movies and editing photos or videos. The sound quality is decent for a laptop, offering deep bass and clear dialogues. It's well-rounded setup. Let's talk about performance. The Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card handle all modern games effortlessly. Cyberpunk 2077 runs on ultra settings with 60+ FPS. Lighter games like Counter-Strike 2 and Valorant maintain 150 to 200 FPS. This laptop isn't just for gaming, it's also perfect for work, editing 4K videos, working in After Effects, or managing large databases runs smoothly. However, during extended use, the laptop gets warm and the fan nose becomes noticeable. Still, there is no critical overheating or throttling. Battery life isn't a strong suit for gaming laptops, and the Alienware m16 R2 is no exception. For basic tasks like text editing or video streaming, it lasts for about 4 hours. For gaming, the battery drains in less than an hour. And my final thoughts. After a week of use, I can confidently say the Alienware m16 R2 is a powerhouse for those who value performance and build quality. However, it's best used as a stationary device. Its comfortable keyboard and the large screen are great not only just for gaming but also for work. If you plan to take it on the go often, keep its size and weight in mind. The Alienware m16 R2 is an ideal choice for hardcore gamers and creative professionals. It's worth the investment if you're willing to sacrifice portability for top-notch performance. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you next video. Before disassembling the laptop, ensure it's completely powered off by pressing and holding the power button. Start by removing the 8 standard Phillips screws located on the bottom case. Once the screws are removed, double check that laptop is fully shut down by pressing and holding the power button again. Using a pry tool, begin at any front corner and carefully work around the edges to detach the palm rest from the bottom case. Be gentle, as the internal clips are very delicate. Avoid applying excessive force. With the bottom case removed, the internal components are clearly visible, and Dell's design makes upgrades and replacements straightforward like butter. The laptop features 2 RAM slots which can be easily upgraded or replaced, as well as 2 SSD slots for additional storage. The Wi-Fi card is also user replaceable. On the right side of the laptop, where the SD card slot and 2 USB ports are located, there is a separate daughter board connected to the motherboard. If any of those ports are damaged, the daughter board can be replaced independently, eliminating the need for full motherboard replacement. The battery is secured with 8 screws and is simple to replace. For users replacing the heatsink and cooling fans, it's crucial to reapply new thermal paste and the thermal pads to avoid potential overheating. That would be all for today. Love and peace to everybody.